Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a leg of lamb at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, I have a bone-in leg of lamb here. It's about 15 pounds or so. And if you've never had a leg of lamb smoked on the grill, you definitely got to check this out. It's some good eating. All right, there's not much preparation we have to do here. We are smoking, so we're not going to be trimming this much. We're going to leave the fat on. Oh, yeah. And we're also going to plug it with some garlic. We have about 8 or 10 cloves of garlic. And you want to make a slit with your knife, get down, maybe toward the bone, and you plug them with this garlic, just like that. You know about that. And garlic really works well on lamb, all right? Oh, yeah, this is going to be good. Now, this is going to take us about 4 or 5 hours to do. Now, this leg of lamb has been plugged with some garlic, and now we're going to hit it with some SPG. Now, if you don't have any SPG, you can use salt and pepper and a good bit of it. Layer it on fairly thick all over. Oh, yeah. Now, some avoid eating lamb because the flavor is more intense than beef. But if you prep your leg of lamb like this, oh, man. You're talking about some fine eating, right? Again, layer it nice and thick. Oh, yeah. All right. She's prepped. And ready for the smoker. Now, we've got a drip pan here. It's also going to serve as our gravy. So we're going to add some beer to get started. This will add some moisture to the smoke as well. Here I've got 2 or 3 onions cut and a couple pieces of garlic. Again, we're going to use this for the drippings and the gravy. Now, we're going to put the leg of lamb directly over the dripping tray. We're going to run a temperature of about 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And here we have some chunks of peach wood. Add a little bit of that smoky flavor. Meantime, just kick back and relax. BBQ Pit Boys. All right. And through the miracle of time, about 4 hours has gone away, maybe a little bit more. We've got an internal temperature of about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're taking it off now because we're going to wrap it in foil in some blanket to continue cooking. And this will really tenderize this bone-in leg of lamb, right? Now, you could cook it a bit longer. Maybe if you wanted medium, but we prefer, again, to take it off at about 120 to 125 degrees and rest it in this blanket. Nothing like smoking up a leg of lamb at the pit. Again, we're going to wrap it. And doing this way, like I said, it'll continue to slowly cook. And the chickens are sure as hell glad we're not eating chicken tonight. All right. About another 45 minutes has gone by. You can go less or longer. This allows plenty of time for the juices to re-permeate this entire piece of meat. Right. I say it's time to cut it up. Now you can trim these any way you want. We're going to go right along the bone like this. Take a look at that. Rare. Look at that smoke ring on there. Slice it nice and thin. See how tender this is. And, no, that's not blood. That's hemoglobin in water. There's no blood in here. There's good eating right there. You can see that cloves of garlic. You getting hungry or what?
Gonna mix some sauce. Grab my own delay, baby. Show you who's boss. Got mesquite in my hair, baby. I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits.
Serve this up with some mint sauce, some gravy, some mashed taters. I say, it's time to eat. And as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster's privilege. Taters, corn. Daym Drops is getting it down.
At the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna throw up some legs. Action.
You smell that? It smells good. Pouring on that gravy, little taters, leg and lamb. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.